Check out these mind-blowing science experiments you can do right at home. Rub a glass on the mouth of a beer bottle, give it a gentle tap, and the beer will quickly spray out. This is a chain reaction. What to do if there's a sudden power outage at home? Add some rice to a glass, fill it up to 80% with water, pour in a little cooking oil, stick a cotton swab in the middle and light it. You've got a candle that will burn all night long. Draw a circle on the bottom of a pan with garlic, and the fried egg will turn out perfectly round. Gently rub your fingers on some garlic a few times, and you can easily pick up an egg yolk. This is due to disulfide bonds. Shine a laser pointer through plain water and no light path is visible. Add a little milk to the water and stir until it gets cloudy, and you'll see a clear path of light. This is the famous Tyndall effect. Press your thumbprint onto a piece of white paper. Next, pour a little iodine iodophore into a cup and use a tissue to spread it evenly. Place the cup upside down over the fingerprint and continuously heat the cup with a hair dryer. The fingerprint will gradually appear. You've successfully mastered fingerprint extraction. If you try to punch a hole in the bottom of a bowl, it will shatter with one hit. But if you put the bowl in deep water and hit it again, you can punch a perfectly round hole. This is due to the buffering force of water. Pour water to different levels in 3 out of 4 cups. How do you distribute it evenly among all 4 cups? Just place water-filled bent straws between the cups, and you'll see the water distribute into each cup. This is the siphon phenomenon of water. Place a piece of gauze over the mouth of a bottle and secure it with a rubber band. Invert it over a glass and sequentially add activated carbon, sand, sand, and pebbles again. Then pour in the dirty water you want to filter, and you'll get a glass of clean water. Place a paper towel on a glass plate and wet it with water. Then place a burning candle on it and cover it with a cup. Wait for the candle to go out, place 4 water-filled cups around it, and surprisingly, you can easily lift the whole thing. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Don't throw away expired chewing gum. Shape it into a cone and catch a coconut off guard by smashing it onto the gum. The coconut is surprisingly pierced with a hole. This is the power of a non-Newtonian fluid. Poke a small hole in a beer bottle cap and tap the bottle 3 times. The beer will quickly spew out. This is the principle behind an atomic bomb explosion. What do you do if the power suddenly goes out at home? Just add some white rice to a cup, pour in an appropriate amount of water, and add some cooking oil. Insert a cotton swab in the center and light it. You'll get a candle that can stay lit for over 3 days. Stuff some scrap paper into an empty cup and submerge it upside down in water. Leave it for a few seconds, then lift the cup back out. The paper will surprisingly still be completely dry. Take a frozen grape from the fridge, then drop it into a glass of ice water. The water around the grape will instantly freeze. This is the secret to freezing water on contact. Want to drink a soda but the pull tab broke off? Just take a chopstick and rub it quickly back and forth over the opening. The soda will miraculously pop open on its own. This is the power of friction. Tear off the striking strip from the side of a matchbox and set it on fire. Let it burn in a dish and it will leave behind a brown residue. Rub a little bit of it between your fingers and it will produce white smoke. This is the secret behind a magician's bare hand smoke trick. Wrap a piece of cotton string around a glass bottle a few times and pour some rubbing alcohol on it. Light the string on fire, spin the bottle to heat it evenly, and then quickly plunge it into ice water. The glass bottle will split perfectly in 2. A bamboo skewer and a match head in aluminum foil. Pinch the top tightly and place it on the rim of a glass. Light the match head and you can simulate a rocket launch. An egg will sink to the bottom in plain water. Add an appropriate amount of salt to the water and stir evenly. The egg actually floats. This is the secret of the Dead Sea. After filling a straw with water, rest it between 2 glasses. The water will slowly be drawn into the other empty glass. This is the siphon phenomenon. Snap matches in half without breaking them completely. Gather them together and drop some water in the center. They will slowly form a perfect 5-pointed star. This is due to water's surface tension. Spray a little rubbing alcohol into a glass and place the glass over a lit candle. This creates a dragon drinking water effect. Put a small inflated balloon into a syringe and block the air outlet. You can now simulate a beating heart. Add a spoonful of sugar and some dish soap to water and stir well. Dip a straw into the solution and you'll have unpoppable bubbles. Come and try it out. Draw a few straight lines around an ant and you can completely block its path. Take an empty bottle you found, poke a few holes around the bottom, and you've got a miniature fountain with an adjustable water flow. Cut a gum wrapper into the shape shown in the video. Touch the ends to the positive and negative terminals of a battery, and you can easily start a fire in the wild. Wrap and connect 2 keys with a thin copper wire. Touch them to the positive and negative terminals of a dry battery, and you've just made a simple electric hot knife. This demonstrates the law of resistance. Take a clear plastic sheet, cut it into 4 isosceles trapezoids, and use clear tape to stick them together into a funnel shape. Place it on your phone, play a 3D video, and you've successfully built a DIY 3D hologram projector. Interlock 2 forks, poke a toothpick through the middle, and balance it tip to tip with another toothpick. It stays perfectly balanced. This is the principle of balanced torque. Roll a piece of paper into a tube, secure it at an angle on the rim of a glass, and light the top. You'll see white smoke flowing downwards, creating a magical smoke waterfall. Do you know what happens when you mix potassium permanganate and glycerin? Put a spoonful of potassium permanganate on a block of wood, squeeze a few drops of glycerin on it, and let it sit for 20 seconds. You can use this to start a fire in the wild. Isn't that amazing? Add iodine to water and stir it well. Drop an apple slice into the water and stir it around. The water will instantly turn clear. This is an oxidation reduction redox reaction. A straw can't pierce an apple at all. Just press your thumb on one end to trap the air and poke it hard, and the apple gets pierced. A suspended paper card can't hold heavy objects at all, but when you fill the glass with water, it gains load-bearing capacity. An old shower head gets clogged easily. Add baking soda to a plastic bag, then pour in some white vinegar. Put it over the clogged shower head and let it sit for a while. Take it off and the shower head flows smoothly again. Put some hot water in a bottle, tighten the cap, and turn the bottle upside down. Put an ice cube on top and wait 2 minutes. The water in the bottle actually starts boiling again. A CD can't pass through the small hole in the paper. Just fold the paper in half and it can pass right through. This is an optical illusion. Put a matchstick under a magnet, then hang a bottle of soda on the matchstick. Take 2 more matches and place them like in the video to form a triangle. Then take away the magnet. The drink miraculously hangs on the matchsticks. Hit the mouth of an empty bottle with a rubber mallet and the bottle won't break. When we add some water to the bottle and tap it gently, the bottom breaks off. This is the famous water hammer effect. Add water to a bowl, then add an appropriate amount of cornstarch. Mix it evenly and it stays soft but resists hard impacts. Your non-Newtonian fluid is ready. Slide a coin into the prongs of 2 forks to cross them and place it on the edge of a glass. The coin actually won't fall off. Place a playing card over the mouth of a bottle filled with water, flip it upside down, and the card firmly sticks to the opening. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Pour some white vinegar into a bottle, put a balloon over the opening, and pour the baking soda from inside the balloon into the vinegar. The balloon will surprisingly inflate slowly. Place a cotton thread on top of some ice cubes, sprinkle some table salt over it, and you can easily lift the ice cubes. This is the chemical principle of adding salt. Pour soda into a glass, put a color-absorbing sheet in and stir it. Wait for 3 seconds, and you will find that all the color in the soda has been absorbed by the sheet. This is adsorption. Blow air towards the bottom using a straw, and the water inside the glass will automatically flow out. This is Bernoulli's principle. Place 3 candles of different heights in a row on a table. Cover them with a sealed container, and you will see the tallest candle go out first. This is the principle behind why you should bend down to escape during a fire. Pour water into a cylindrical glass, and you'll notice the burning candle behind it not only doesn't extinguish, but magically gets bigger. This is actually the principle of the water glass acting as a convex lens to create a magnified real image. Stick a few pieces of tape on a water-filled balloon, and use scissors to pierce the blank space left in the center of the tape. The balloon will not pop instantly, but will form a water column that looks as if it's frozen still. This is the laminar flow phenomenon in fluid mechanics. Cut a small hole in an octopus's mouth on a paper cup, light a crumpled piece of paper, blow it out, place it inside a container and invert the paper cup over it. Squeeze both sides of the paper cup and the octopus will start blowing bubbles. Interleave the pages of a book like shuffling cards. The resulting friction can actually lift a large jug of mineral water. Pour freezing cold, purified water into a goblet, then drop a strawberry in. The water freezes around the strawberry. This is the power of turning water into ice on contact. Dip the base of a rose cutting in honey, stick it into a potato, and then bury it in the soil. The combination of honey and potato will stimulate root growth and development, which can shorten the time needed to grow a lush rose bush. Use a cotton swab dipped in lemon juice to write on a piece of paper. The words you wrote will only appear after being heated. This is the secret of the wordless book, Invisible Ink. Draw some warm water into a syringe, cover the needle opening, and pull the plunger out. The warm water starts boiling again. This is due to the difference in air pressure. This is a purple cabbage. Tear it into pieces, put them in a pitcher, and add hot water. After letting it steep for a while, pour the purple cabbage water into these cups of liquid. What do you think will happen? Sugar water, lemon water, salt water, alkaline water, soda water, and pure water each turn into different colors. You know what the principle behind this is. Put one end of a piece of gauze into dirty water and the other end into an empty glass. You can easily filter the dirty water into clear water.